Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 229 State Street, apartment 2W in New Bedford, Massachusetts. This is a second floor, two-bedroom apartment located in the south end of New Bedford. Right now we are in the main living room parlor area. As you can see, we have some nice panel floors throughout the entire apartment. We have some tile in the bathroom straight ahead. Moving on to the kitchen area, we can see some nice stone gray countertop and some tile backsplash above the stainless steel sink. Some more of that beautiful tile above the gas stove. Some nice dark hardwood cabinetry. We have the refrigerator in the corner here. Moving past the parlor area, we're going to look at the bathroom. As you see, it has nice tile floor, a full-size tub and shower. Moving on to the first bedroom here, you see more of that panel floor throughout, some baseboard heater. Walls have been repainted. You have the closet for this bedroom here. And to the right is the second bedroom. They are identical in size. You have the closet for this room too, so both rooms have closets. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management. So you do have benefits such as an online login where you can contact staff and make rent payments online. You'll also be given access to a 24-hour emergency maintenance line for all your emergency repairs and needs. Again, this is 229 State Street, apartment 2W in New Bedford, Massachusetts.